What's up, GB gang? Today with my cousins. Yeah, we about to go explore this abandoned house that's around the corner. Cause I've been looking at it for a long time. A long time now.
Alright, let me take the vlog over. Alright, so look, y'all. So this is finna do the GB gang. Alright, so look. We're finna go to the abandoned house around the corner, you know. This nigga talking too much, so we gotta go around the corner to this abandoned house so we can see what's in it. What's first treasure? What is that? What's first treasure, huh? Huh, gang? What's first treasure? That's gonna be wild.
Yeah. So let me take my vlog back. So the abandoned house look like, I think that's it right there. Cause that house used to be burnt down. I remember.
Huh? We used to live down there. What abandoned house at?
That is right here.
Oh, no.
Y'all wanna go in there?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. You ready, Artez? You're not ready.
Alright, watch it.
And he just got back from a football game.
Uh-oh.
Look.
What was it?
I don't even know. Yeah, this video might be canceled. Cause ain't nobody going up there. Yep. Okay, so let's just walk around the neighborhood, see if we can find.
Alright, turn the camera around. Turn the camera around.
Bro, I'm just wondering why this abandoned house just leaving leaves all the leaves.
Whoa, look at that bike over there. Huh. I don't know what that got to do.
Hey, we can
You don't want to get that stuff stuck in your throat.
we can get up here and then go in the back.
Oh, yo, we can't look. Y'all want to do that?
Oh,
Come on,
yeah.
go.
Go. Do somebody live there? Cause I see the curtains and the air conditioners on.
No, this got to be. Come on.
This is gonna be sketch.
I'm going.
You not?
Making my way down to the house.
No. Oh, I can't get up here, Darren.
Huh?
Yeah, I can't get up. Come here. I can't get up here. I got slides on.
I got something.
Every time I go up there, they being like that.
You like what?
How about we can just like go cut right there?
I'm about to go home.
No, why? You can be a lookout kid if you're scared.
Just give me that.
So, right now we about to try and go this way.
So you see these little Mexicans over here?
Stop!
You
Stop!
know.
Stop! Wow. So yeah, we about to go. Yeah, we about to go up through here. Oh, I can't get up there. Yeah. Darn. So right now, I'm going up some lady's driveway. Hope she don't come out like, oh no, dos, tres. There's 3 niggas in my yard. Huh? Through the alley? No, come on. So right now, look at that, he's all the way up there. We about to go through the alley to try to get, oh, I'm out of breath. Why? Hey, look, I know a way. Come around here, go through there. All right? Yeah, go ahead. We're gonna be in the alley waiting for you. Huh? Then, I don't know. Just come on. Wait. It's a dog right there. All right, that's completely sketch. What happened?
Oh my God. That's the fattest dog I ever seen. I gotta show this, bro. Bro, this the fattest dog I ever seen. Come here, dog. Come here, doggy. Oh, that's the fattest dog I ever seen. What is wrong with that dog? Fat dog. This house is abandoned. What kind of dog?
Live here.
Let's see if it's live.
What is that? Is that somebody looking at the window? Come on. Come on. I think somebody looking at the window. Come on, run. Run. We running. Oh, stop. Shh. Somebody does in there. Bro, if we would have went in there, we would have been charged with trespassing. I thought that house was abandoned. A witch might live there.
That's how fat.
For real.
That's what I seen.
Bruh. So what y'all want to do? Walk around the neighborhood?
Yeah.
Until my phone go dead. So.
I'm gonna ride that bike in the top. What I'm gonna do is hop on this bike. You know.
I mean, they probably want to throw it away because it's about a junk thing. What is he doing? Oh my gosh. Wow.
Let's see how rock on this. Oh, the kickstand.
That's probably why they tried to throw it away.
Oh my lord, look at this kickstand.
Holy.
Holy
Screw that
cow.
off.
That's what they probably tried to do. No.
This is a trained professional crackhead, guys. All right, there. Come back here. We about to walk around, see if we can find any more abandoned houses. Whew. Look at that man. He is gone on that bike. Look, Artez, he said, I'm gone. I ain't dealing with y'all today. So right now, I'm about to charge my phone. So, cause my phone is like on 3% right now. I don't know where Darren's going, but yeah. Kids on my block, they is hot block boys. I have no clue what they doing. Shit. Where'd the bike go? So you got it and fixed it, and then you put it back. Wow. So right now, all these kids playing. Well, I'm about to come back out here. And then
We're finna get the baby gun. Y'all finna go get the baby gun.
Show I can build a fat dog.
Oh yeah, we gotta show it. Come on, in the vlog.
all right, guys. So
Alright guys.
going back in the house right now. See y'all later.